Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Docker desktop on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Docker desktop on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Docker, since that's where we will download the app, so just search for docker.com on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Docker desktop on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. And then you will now be able to see the download options for Docker right here. So just select an option depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after that, your Docker installer will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. And after clicking it, your Docker desktop will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Docker desktop installed on your PC or laptop. So just restart your device as instructed here, and then you will be able to use the app. So I just restarted my device, guys. Now let's try if our Docker is now working. And then there you go, guys. As you can see, we have now opened our Docker desktop. But also, in some circumstances, this might appear on your screen when you opened your Docker. This just means that your Windows subsystem is outdated, but don't worry, this is very easy to fix. So to fix it, first, I want you to copy this text or command right here. And once you've copied the command, next, I want you to open your command prompt, so just search for command prompt on your Windows search bar. And then you can now open it. And once you've opened your command prompt, you can now paste the command that you've copied earlier. And then press the Enter key on your keyboard. And after that, your Windows subsystem will now start updating. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now go back to your Docker desktop and then click the Restart button. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Docker desktop will now be working, so you can now start using the app. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.